If you're looking for great new coffee, tea and espresso, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Mixpresso Coffee. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Mixpresso Coffee. Number 3, by Mixpresso Coffee. For more info about these great coffee, tea and espresso, just click this circle now. Number 4, by Mixpresso Coffee. Number 5, also by Mixpresso Coffee. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.